Construction is the topic that very often shows up on your exam. So in this part, we have line segment PQ. Line segment means just a part of a line that has beginning and the end. Divide the line segment PQ into 3 equal lengths without measuring it. Show all of your construction lines clearly. So that's where it's going to be a bit of a challenge for me, trying to show you how to do construction here. Okay, let's get required equipment first. So we need a ruler and we need a compass. So how do we build that? So let me just first give you a rough idea. So the idea is that we draw a line, doesn't matter how long, doesn't matter what angle. Then we're going to divide this additional into equal parts. And for that, we're going to use our compass. Once we divide it, then we're going to join that last part with the end Q. And then using the ruler, and we're going to need one more equipment, which is triangle. We're going to draw parallel lines. And that is a little bit challenging when you are doing it with your equipment. Okay, let's have a try. So like we said first, we're going to draw a line. There it is. Sorry, I needed to pause to move my equipment. I use the ruler, I put it, and I draw a line. Okay, then the next thing, we need to take that and divide this line into equal parts. Now, it doesn't matter what size it is, so any, and then we move again. And again, whether we are dividing into 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, the principle will be the same. So once we have that, now we're going to join. Let's see whether I can move that around. We're going to join the end, the last line with our Q. It worked out pretty all right. Now, the most difficult part, meaning drawing the parallel lines. So let me first arrange my equipment for that. Okay, so that's how we need to set our equipment. Our right angle triangle has to be aligned with our last line here. And then a ruler has to be aligned, touching exactly that right angle. The idea is that let's see, can I move it? As we move it along the line, along the ruler, and we get to this place, our arch here, then we can, oops, that didn't go as well as I planned. And then we can draw a line. Yeah. The digital doesn't work as good as in real life. And again, if I move it again along my ruler to the last line, and again, oops, we didn't want to do that. And then we draw that. Now look at my crooked lines. However, in real life, it will be much easier. So therefore, that's what it is. 1, 2, 3. We actually divided that into 3 equal parts. And like I'm saying, the most difficult part here is that movement. As that movement is difficult on my digital equipment along, so it is a little bit difficult in real life.